In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Chromecast to TV without Wi-Fi. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you don't have a Wi-Fi network set up, then you can still connect and use your Chromecast. You will need to use Wi-Fi periodically, but this can be easily bypassed by using a mobile hotspot through your phone. So in this video, this is going to be the method that I want to showcase. If you don't have access to Wi-Fi and you don't have access to a mobile hotspot, then sadly, I don't know of any other means to properly set up and use your Chromecast. But if you are able to temporarily set up a hotspot, then this method will work. So first of all, ensure that your Chromecast has been connected to your TV, your display, anywhere that you would like to use it, and plug it into a power outlet if needed using the appropriate cable so it is receiving power. Once the Chromecast has been set up, you will need the Google Home application. So download the Google Home app from the Play Store or the App Store, open it up, and inside of the Google Home app, choose Devices at the bottom and then Add. Now, before you proceed, remember to enable Mobile Hotspot. So enable this temporarily and give it a name that is easy to type because you will need to manually specify this network later. So you can do something like a bunch of letters, mobile hotspot, whatever you want. Set up a strong password, but be sure to note down this password because like I said before, you will need to remember it. So once you have the network and the password properly set up, you have remember them or you have them copied, and mobile hotspot has been enabled, go back into the setup page, choose the option to add a Google Nest or partner device, so it is going to be listed here, Chromecast. And now, be sure to be in close proximity of the Chromecast. If needed, position your phone closer, and after a couple of seconds or even up to a minute, the Chromecast will be detected. If it is not detected, then make sure that it was plugged properly into a power outlet and that it is connected to your TV. If it is detected, tap yes and proceed. Now, when it's time to pick the Wi-Fi network, double check to see if the hotspot appears on this list. If the mobile hotspot does not appear, then go to Other Wi-Fi Network. And now specify the network name and the password that you set up manually. Be sure to also note down the security type. Usually by default, it is going to be WPA2, but if your phone gives you the option to manually pick, also note that down. With all of this done, it is going to be properly set up. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, according to the channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching and I'll see you on the next one.